Stop ignoring this one habit that can reduce your stress, help you sleep better, and help you just take control of your health. Let me just dive into that. Journaling is a powerful tool that can improve your physical health and your mental health. The greatest part is that you don't have to be this great writer to see the benefits. I started looking into journaling because I hear left and right that journaling is good for you. Journal prompts or just writing your thoughts out on paper. So I wanted to do some research on this topic, on how journaling can truly help your mental health. I came across tryhabitual.com. I have it pulled up off to the side right here. It's just the science behind journaling and its role in better health. 1, journaling has been found to have a strong link to supporting your mental health, as well as a number of other physical benefits. Keeping a journal can help you form positive habits and identify negative ones. It's a particularly strong method for weight loss to track everything, your food, your intake, your weight, your measurements, all the things. Then they dive into tips and tricks on how to start journaling and when and where and all the jazz. Using that website is kind of what I am basing this video on, so I will link that website in the description box so you can go read it, check it out, get more in-depth study in about this topic. Journaling helps reduce your stress by helping process your emotions. Because when you're able to write it down, somehow your brain is like able to work through what you just wrote down. If you do it before bed, you can use it to declutter your brain. So if you've just got these thoughts that are running a million miles an hour, if you just start writing them down on a blank piece of paper, or maybe just on your notes app on your phone, and just brain dumping, just word vomiting basically all over your notes. That can really help you sleep better because all of that chatter out of your head, written down, so you don't need to worry and stress about those things any longer. It can also help with your mental clarity and focus because it's organizing your thoughts, writing them down, really just brings relief to your brain. Even psychologists recommend journaling as a way to manage your anxiety and improve your emotional health. Little boy is playing with some canvases back there. The benefits of journaling are backed by science. This isn't just someone saying, hey, these are the benefits because this is what I feel is the case. These are proven benefits that have shown in studies of people journaling in different capacities. For those that are looking to boost your memory function, because I know as being a mom, I don't know why, but since being pregnant, my brain doesn't work the same anymore. The habit of expressing through writing can really help with your memory. And there's a link to personal performance because you're self-reflecting on your day, on yourself, and the things that you can improve on can really boost your productivity. I used to journal really well, and then I journaled really good for 2 years straight, and I just felt good. Honestly, I think my mental health was the best when I was journaling. Looking back on that, I just seem to still struggle to journal every single day. And I like to do it at night because then there's the whole day to reflect on. But of course you can do it in the morning, whenever you have time to fit this in. It can be a 5-minute thing, or you can literally sit down for 30 plus minutes. You don't need to write pages of perfect entries to be good at journaling or to see the benefits of it. This is simply just writing a few sentences even. Journaling is about progress, not perfection. Even those few lines a day can make a huge difference in your mental health and overall life experience. You don't need any fancy tools. You can just use a notepad, some paper from the printer, rip out a page out of your notebook that you use for school or for work. Maybe your kids have a notepad that you can rip a page out of. Make journaling work for you. Pick a time of day that works best, morning, afternoon, the evening, or right before bed. Whenever you have just 5 minutes, that's all it takes. Some people might say, oh, I don't have time for that. If you truly care for it, you'll make time, especially if it's just 5 whole minutes. And you can just start with a simple prompt of, what am I grateful for today? That's simple. Have a gratitude journal. And there are different styles that you can journal. You can just free write, or you can use bullet points of like gratitude, just listing all the different things. Even just sketching, like drawing something out that you have an idea of. Whether you're a busy professional or a parent or student, journaling is very adaptive to any schedule that you have.
Honey, that's garbage. Can we not play in that?
Okay, well. Or another journal prompt that you can use is, what are 5 things that made me smile today? Essentially just recording, however that looks for you. If you're ready to take control of your mental health and reduce your stress, download my free daily reflection journal. I'll have it in the description box. It's filled with easy prompts to just fill out on a daily to get you started. Don't wait. This one habit could be the key to improving your health and feeling your best.